Masarap? Masarap daw. Okay.
Cannot make head of take here at the same time.
Eh,
Here or here?
I told you, next time this one
I would
only.
see. It's 50. Here 60. No, they will take here.
That's all. Yeah, for next time.
بس ما بعرف إذا هاي
Did you go ahead?
it works the za'atar.
No, but I don't know. We put kamen bangadura inside the sata.
ما بعرف it will be well done or not.
Da.
Za'atar, this one. Maybe it will not be well done.
Why? You think this one it's more bigger, huh? You think this one?
Hard, it's more cooked. Za'atar.
Look, the cheese and chocolate. Lano, you asked me if you bought chocolate. I said, you must be lucky. You eat like this. You should be grateful,
I'm grateful. But you're the luckiest.
She asked me, she said, Mafi na, ibad? I said, Tefi, for Kian. I did not say eat. I did not force her to eat.
Okay.
Yeah, I'm sure. Yeah, you coffee, huh? Good luck. Less is, ano?
2. How big is za'atar?
Za'atar chocolate kami
You
na.
put 9.
Yeah, I make mistake. Kalat. It's okay.
Remember the shop? It's never closed. Bye-bye.
But be careful. Hala, bye-bye. Be careful.
ما في غاد
Go inside lang sa morning. Go make your socks. Put your socks, mamang ko. Go socks. Sa may lag ko. Itong ano kong pogi. Daddy. Hello po. Magandang hapon. So, hapon kasi 12 o'clock na dito sa lugar namin. Time to cook. Hindi lulutuin ko ngayon ay supas. Ito yung tira namin kahapon. So, ang gagawin ko itong supas, yung lentils. Pang madalian, para maisan yung lamig. Kahit umaaraw, malamig. Okay, lagay lang natin dyan. Lagyan ng tubig, lagyan ng sharia, yung vermicelli, o sold na ang lunch. Tamang-tamang sa malamig na panahon. Eto, nakikita nyo na green yan, yung parsley. Bukas, pupunta kami sa bahay ng hipag ko. Doon kami mag-lunch. Dito yung dito yung hipag ng asawa. Dito yung hipag. Dito yung hipag ko, guys, na nagbakasyon sila. So, doon kami kakain sa bahay ng bunso nila. Bunso ni Johnny. Kaya si mama prepare siya ng ganyan, nadunis, yung parsley pang tabulit. Hello po! Gagawa na po tayo ng siopaw asado. So, first time nilang matikman ito, yung mga bata. Kaya ipatikim ko sa kanila. Ito na guys, ang ating dough. Ewan ko kung tama ito kasi first time ko lang din naman gumawa. Ganito ba talaga guys ang dough ng Kita ko lang ito sa shinare lang pala ni ate itong recipe ng siopaw ko. I-try ko. First time ko guys gawin. Mm. Mm. Hindi pa pwede.
لكن ماما عندك انت طحيني مفتوح،
Eh.
عندك طحيني مفتوح، خلي هذا مسكر تا نحط الطحيني مفتوح. اوكي؟
لا ما بعرف كن في.
لا انا ما بدي كثير. عرفتي؟ بس انا جبت واحد خلي اذا مفتوح حتى نضب اول شيء البقدونس بكسرين هذا شوط البن الكريمي. ونحط ساعتها الكسرين.
Sa loob natin yung manok. So gawin natin himay-himayin lang. Kachat ko si Mr. guys. Nag-update ko siya. Tinatanong ko kasi kung nakabenta na siya. Sabi niya, may 10 pa daw na natira. Tigad naman Ayan, anuhin ko lang ito Ayan yung palaman natin. So, andito na yung siopaw natin. Nakaano na. Ito, galing pa ito sa Pilipinas. Yan, dinala ko noon. Matagal na ito nung umuwi pa ako. So, malit lang siya na steamer ko ba. Ayan. So, yan, mag-start na po tayo kasi andito yung mga bata. Huli.
I want to tell you something. There's a machine how to make the like real dumpling. The real dumpling shape.
Okay.
It's like the Spanish bread, but no, like it's like smaller like this, and it's like potisal, but like thicker from upwards. And the layer here, you know this line here, it's like not thick.
Okay.
There's a machine to do it. You can you can put the meat in the middle, and then you just turn it on, and then it will do it for you.
Ayan. Ito ganito ba o hindi pa? Kailangan pa palaputin. Ano? Kailangan malapot ito. Pinatay ko na kasi akala ko okay na pero nagtubig siya. Anyway, ito na siya. Tignan natin ang ating siopaw. Ay, ang ating siopaw. Excited ako. Nagdikit naman na siya. Mamaya i-check natin. Ay, excited ako, guys. You finished fixing the clothes? She finished? Tell her to come make the plates. Routine niya kasi yung ito. Tapos na niya sa Ayan. Maya check natin yung ating excited po ako talaga. First time kong gawin. Ayan na siya. Oh, naluluto na po ang ating siopaw. Matagal na ako hindi nakakain ng siopaw. Ang ating siopaw. Okay na ang ating sauce. Malapit na siya. Naluto na ata ang ating siopaw. Dali na ako niya. I think,
It's the leader of all mommy.
Mama. Ayan, naluto na po ang ating sauce. Ay, ready na po. So, lamigin lang natin.
Put it in a bowl.
Yes. Put in the bowl para lumamig po siya.
Okay, done.
Thank you, Mami. Bakit na may bag there? Yala, I will be about to finish. Ito na ang dinner namin. Ang aming dinner ba? Ilalagay natin. Saan ilalagay? Dito na lang sa bowl. Check natin guys ang ating siopaw. Ayan siya. O, luto na kaya ito guys? 5 minutes pa. Ayan. Hey. Ito na ata guys. Ang ating siopaw. Oh my god. Ito na po. I-try natin itong isa. Buksan natin kung okay siya. Ganito ba talaga guys ang siopaw? First time ko talaga gumawa. Parang okay naman siya. Ba't ganito? Try nga natin. Okay naman siya. Mm. 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 Yummy. Mm. Mm. Okay na din. Sausaw natin. Gusto. Yung sauce natin, oh. Okay.
البخار
Kaya nagbuka.
هيدا من دون مي
Steamer.
مي في تحت ايه وهيدا هون
Ah,
اوكي تحت شو في؟
may.
ايه بس على البخار يعني هي بتستوي
Steamer.
ما بعرف شو
Do. Taipei.
خلصي؟
Eh.
هيدا صار بيتاكل؟
Eh. Cook na ngay dahil.
هو اكل شكلته
Miss Fry, Miss Hen. Eh.
هي شو
هيدا
اللحمة؟
الصوص. Eh, لحمة chicken.
ايه
هيدا
هلا عملتيها
الصوص.
كوكي هون
Eh. هيدا الصوص. يعني لهيدا.
يلا هلا بندوق تعبي هاي المي انت اكلتي؟
بعد
ولا انا بدي اكل اول شيء؟
ماما ناكل كده
هي
Kian, you want to eat now sipaw?
I don't know how you eat but I'll eat it
No, you eat like this, Mama.
Mommy,
You eat by hand.
here and my
No, it's not like this. I will show you.
yeah
Give me plate. Heck, open heck.
تيتا مثل ما بتقلك امك اعملي
هيدا it's not soup هيدا Mama.
no I want dip it here the
The sauce?
eh
Give you dip it. Ah, you put the sauce here? You put the sauce here?
sauce here
Yeah, let's take it.
teaching me all
Mm.
yes
Mm.
بدها تغطى فيها
شو هيدا بده.
can I take this one
take it Mama يلا it's okay na good na. أول هيك.
no I eat
You need to open it يعني.
I don't care
يا الله. We'll see if
رح نعمل مثل شيء
شو باو. شو dip done.
delicious
You like it? Ganyan ba kumain ng siupaw? Hindi naman Ay, Kian, yalla. شوف كل طيبين. لازم تفتح يلا.
افتحها
هيك.
حط الصوص بقلبها
هيك.
قولي لنا هيك
لا شاين لأنه
انا عم بعمل مثل شيان اوكي هيك
يعني
اوكي
مثله ساندويتش هيدا يعني تاكل هيك.
اوكي يلا
شوف كن طيبين.
اكيد طيب ليه ما بدك تكون طيبه
يلا كيان. شو شيان طيبين؟ Look at Shayan. Idip
thank you mommy thank you mommy
Welcome.
بس هيدا بنصح
مسكين اليوم تاكل. شو sabi ni Mama.
صوص طيبه
what
واي شو طيبه
dumplings
ثانك يو طيبه
طيبين؟
الصوص حرة
يعني أنا هاتي شوي.
طيبه
يلا يلا كل حبيبي هلا أنا Wait, I will bring you. Shayan.
okay let me use chopsticks then but they're really big
Not chopstick, mommy.
Mala.
You eat by your hand.
You cannot eat with chopstick, Ian. It's hard.
How are you?
I'm professional.
Professional loser.
Amish cake. Let it read.
Okay, I removed the paper. You put it back.
Shield to eat the paper?
Eh?
Ah. Thank you.
What's-
Like this.
What's this sauce inside?
Siupaw. I make
Oh, meat.
yan na awal heg dip like this.
That's barbecue sauce?
I make it.
Soy sauce.
Wala ka. Di bad. What Johnny will take. I don't know if she likes.
Nicola said it's not nice if you eat it cold.
No.
So you should eat it hot. So you should give it to Daddy hot.
Yeah.
How do you serve?
Okay.
But this is harder than the funny sauce, I know it.
Yung tintitir mala, eh?
No.
But it won't
Only
be
a little,
But if you do it, mommy, it won't take you more time, and you just have to do. If it was kafta, it would be more easier for you, mommy. You don't have to make the chicken yet.
Ano, basta... Kain po tayo.
I always suggest mommy to do the best food.
You want more?
Try my second one.
Iba.
But it's kind of spicy. Your left.
My left. Toing, toing, toing.
Siupaw.
That means you win because I cannot shuffle.
You will not eat na dinner?
مش هذا dinner?
بدك تاكلي بعد؟
That's not dinner?
Bala. Put sauce. If you don't want it, I like it.
It's stuck on my teeth.
Yan. Ito na siya guys. Oh, ang ating siupaw. Siupaw. Hold it. Siupaw daw ng kuya ko. Gusto niya daw. I love you so much, so much. Ate. Lagi-lagi na oh.
What did you cut from it?
So the water will not
Leak?
Yay! Hi guys, may update po tayo. Habang gumagawa ako ng siopaw, kachat ko si Mr. Starting Tuesday daw, meron po kaming customer. Nag-order po daw siya ng 24 pieces. Thank you Lord. 24 pieces guys. Maliban lang kay Madam, it's a mini market siya sa Dibay.